So as you can see, we've got this aluminium welded. As you can see, it looks quite good, strong and everything, but I cannot weld aluminium, as probably a lot of other people can't. So what we've done is, instead of welding, we've actually glued it on. So what we're actually using is a metal filler. So here, what we've done here is got the post, we've put the metal filler around the post and then inserted it into the hub, and we also put some around the edges below the post. So here we've actually put the post in already, and all we did was get the metal filler and put it around the edges like this, and it should stop the post from coming loose or coming out. So this is just another alternative to getting it welded. I believe it's just as strong because the metal filler is actually holding the post, stopping it from coming out. And well, I suppose that's about it.